Today
Hello?
we are back in another
Hello?
video of Animal Company. Hello, Coco. Who are you?
Do you know how to get to pool rooms?
Yes, I do. How about you?
No, I do not.
Okay,
I
come
want to
here.
go to pool rooms.
Come on.
I like your name.
Thank you. I'm a YouTuber and my name's Banana.
Wait, is that your YouTube name too?
Yeah, that's my. Well, my YouTube name is Run. Not in a server yet. No. 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 Okay, but wait. Are you black? Bro, let's hang up. Okay.
Banana.
Okay,
I'm
so
back.
this is my other VR friend. His name is Brody RBLX.
Wait.
Yeah, that's fine. My name is Banana. On this game, and my YouTube name is gonna be Just Banana soon. So make sure to keep that name saved, Just Banana, because that's soon gonna be my YouTube name. Now let's go to pool rooms.
Because I want to see a hair. Because I want to see an ugly monster. And I'm ready for my life.
Banana has 30 subs. I think I have like 400 or 500.
Bro, where
Come.
Alright.
I have 34 subs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Alright, now I can hear.
it's just because I'm a
mic-
small creator.
My mic was low.
I'm recording a YouTube
so
video
wh-
right now, so say hi to
Where
the
are we
fans.
gonna go next? Where's the pool room?
It's through that tunnel, but just wait. Say hi to the fans and say like and subscribe.
Let's get subscribed and happy.
He said like and subscribe. So
Yo, shoot.
Also, comment
make a
down.
run for it.
comment down your VR name.
Yo, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make a run for it.
Okay, ready?
He's stuck.
Go.
He's stuck. Oh, I died.
What up, guys?
Okay, let's go.
What just happened? What just happened?
I don't know, but let's go.
I think the black monster just ate
My
me
hand
up.
is telling me to go. My hand is telling me where we should go, guys.
No, I want to go to pool room.
Bro, my hand is leading us to pool rooms. Okay, it says take a turn, then take another one.
What
Go
the heck?
straight. Take another one. Go straight.
Run!
Take another one. Oh my God, we're here. Coco, where's Coco? Coco, get in here. We have made it to pool rooms. Oh yeah. Bro,
I can.
but what do you
You
want?
okay?
I'm trying to record a video. Literally, I'm in here.
Yo, go. Where
Okay,
am I?
guys. You gotta make me free. Wait, Brody, you wanna make her super fast?
Why do you want to make her super fast?
Mama, come.
Go, come on. Ready?
Help me!
Oh.
Somebody help!
We need one more person. Bro, come on. Over here.
Big!
Go in that one.
can
Go in
hear
that
her.
one. Go in that one. Go in that one. I'll go in this one. Hurry up.
Hey, wait, there's Mama Coco, I love you.
I don't know. No, all of us have to go in here. All of us have to go in here.
What is this for?
Everyone get in here.
What is this for?
We have to bring the monster. Then we have to bring the monster just to...
Get in! Get in! Come on!
Is there anyone here?
go to pool rooms? Who wants to go to pool rooms?
Let's go to level 1, guys. Let's all go to level 2, 1.
Okay, my hand is leading us where to go. Okay. Okay. Just let everyone in a trap. Okay. Let's go.
Banana, come on, banana.
This is my army of blue guys.
Help me!
Bro, Coco, where are you?
I'm behind y'all!
Get up, Coco. Coco, she knew. Coco, I'm back. Where's Coco? Coco. Coco. Coco, where did Coco go? Let's go.
Go out there.
Coco. Coco. Coco.
What's that? What was that?
We will not stop until we get to pool rooms. Also, by the way, I will be doing a Animal Company video with a special someone. Brody? Brody, is that you?
Yo, what up? Also, Grayson, I'm trying to find Galactic Pumpkin Pie and Animal Company.
Oh, dang. Entity.
Hey, what up, bud? Hey. No,
Brody. Brody sounds like a squirrel. If you don't hear him in the background, sorry. He kind of sounded like a squirrel, not to be mean.
Where's the monster?
But is anybody here named Coco?
Oh, banana!
Yo, it's my boy Coco. Coco. Shout out to this Coco. Shout out to Coco. Coco Chanel. Did you make that trend? Coco Chanel.
Say you love milky Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel.
Did you make that trend? Get over here. Get over here.
Yo.
Bro, let me run.
Anyone is following you.
Yeah, I know because I'm juking the crap out of it.
Anyone? Guys.
Your teeth are so yellow. They look like me. Because I'm a banana and I'm the big B.
Oh my god.
My name is the banana. I am a YouTuber.
I agree.
But your teeth don't look
I
anything
agree.
like the subscribe
I
button.
agree.
The subscribe button is white and you is yellow. But your hair is blue.
Wait,
just
yo,
like my
this is so
butthole.
fun. Why am I on her tail? Her nasty tail.
Bro, come here.
Bring around a Rosie.
Coco.
Rosie. Ashes. Alright, should I run?
Follow me, Coco.
Yo. Oi, Jason.
Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel is Ceylon.
Get away from my friends. What is wrong with you?
Bro, no, let me juke the crap out of her. Brody, lead her over here. Brody, lead her over here. Coco, no, Coco died.
Hey, one pin. They say you love me, you gotta put her in Chanel. You say you love me, you gotta put me in Chanel.
Only moving with one hand.
Here, I'll do it too.
Ooh, only juking with one hand. Psych. Only juking with no hands. Mama Coco, you're seriously glitched. I'm a girly girl. We secretive. Brody?
Yeah.
Brody, my viewer's gonna die. Wait,
Swear to God.
are you Coco?
I'll touch her if you pay me $100 right now. Swear to God.
Wait, what?
He said if I touch Mama Coco, then they'll give me $100.
Wait, did you say on God, Brody?
No.
We'll say on God.
Nah.
Hey, Star, can you go real quick?
Nah, just kidding.
Oh, okay.
Banana! Banana here?
I am the
Back,
almighty
back.
banana! Bro,
By the way, guys, I'm a YouTuber too. I have 400 subs. Get out, rah! You're in orange now. See, I'll pull up.
bah!
Bah! Bah!
It's a smooth criminal.
Run.
Yo, Brody?
Oh my God.
Let's go!
Okay, so basically all we're gonna be doing is juking Mama Coco, and that's really it. So yeah, right now somehow my VR's not working, so I can't hear anything. But if you guys can hear me, let me know. But just saying one more time, I can't hear anything, so we're just looking to juke someone, and her name. Oh, hi, Coco. By the way, I can hear everything. Run. Bro, Coco, let's go. Come on.
What was that? What was that?
Ah!
Yo, what you
Run, everybody run, everybody run.
It's right in front of my face. That's scary.
Coco, everybody run. Go, go, go. Coco.
Yes!
Come on, come on. Coco, come on. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. And she love me, la Coco Chanel.
Where's the banana?
Well,
field?
we're going to be in the future.
Where is it?
Yo, Coco, can
Where
I
is
add you on MetaQuest?
Everyone,
Sure.
hi, Mama Coco.
What's your, here, follow me first.
Oh, jeez. Hey, she's coming. I can hear her.
Coco, get in here.
Huh?
Stay right here. I'll be right back. I have to go help a citizen.
I want to go.
Get away from him! Coco? Coco. Bro, what do you want, Big Mac? Yes, bro, I'm in pool rooms. Let me take her off your hands, bro.
Alright, you take Stephanie. You will take Stephanie.
Her name is not Stephanie. Her name is Mama Coco. Daisy, Daisy, give me your address.
Yes, I got it. Okay, let's go.
Not scary, buddy.
I want fun. Everyone follow me. Everyone follow me. No.
I want to follow you. Only me and my twin. Okay?
Oh yeah, by the way, he might be a tracker, so be careful out there. Wait, Keen is a tracker? Keen is a tracker?
That's not even scary, bro. He's just playing his sound board. He's not scary.
Keen is a tracker? Wait, go that one guy.
Like, get this dude out. Oh crap. So he's not killed. You're not scary, buddy, for using a soundboard. You're not scary. You're just stupid.
He's out of the range. He's out of the range. Unless those people back.
Okay, well, hey guys, that's a wrap with today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Shout out to Coco. Shout out to Coco. My VR is about to die. So shout out to Coco.
Yeah, why y'all glazing banana like little kids
So-
glaze old Roblox?
Yeah, Brody! So, yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you had a nice one.
Oh!